If you have land, you have compost, you have water freely available, we will give you your first seeds and put you in a 90-day cycle of, let's say, cabbage. We give you either seeds for, let's say, for instance, 100 cabbages. We put you in a 90-day cycle, and we give you a price up front. For instance, say, we will pay you $25. So off you go. We have help here. We have a supervisor in El Rico Bekir, who then visits them weekly and say, listen, this is not enough water. This is too much water. We need this. We need to go without insecticides. And then we continue to help them. The other people we've helped with seedlings, that we grow the seedlings and say, listen, we give you 70 seedlings of beetroot, for instance, and we give you a kg price up front. And then we follow the process for them in 90-day cycles. So as soon as we see that this 90-day cycle is growing out, 4 weeks before, we put them in another 90-day cycle.